Hi everyone, and welcome back to my final warning, which I suppose on Thursday, the 7th of April, with me, Japan market analyst at Active Markets. Looking at gold, and we've had a bit of a bounce on gold again, and just beginning to, as sort of anyone who watched my video yesterday, I'm sort of beginning to sort of think there's a bit of a turnaround possibly. We've got this these sort of declines, or that we've seen these declines in the momentum indicators in recent weeks, but are these declines beginning to sort of bottom out? Because you've got the stochastics which are bottoming out possibly, you've got the MACD lines which seem to be sort of plateauing a bit, and you've got this RSI which is certainly threatening that downtrend, and not only that, you've got this price which is threatening the downtrend consistently now. You're not really anymore seemingly falling away. You sort of put that support in at 1208, seems to be holding, and you're sort of putting more pressure to the upside. I mean, it's for now, it's a bit of a near-term consolidation, but that consolidation could turn into a break of that downtrend, and that ultimately could result in the continuation of this sort of move sideways, which I think is what we're going to see. Now, the 21-day moving average had been supportive on the way up. It's now turned into resistance, so that's falling at 1235. So that's a signal if that gets broken. Also, you've got the key reaction high of 1242, 1242.90 in fact, which is again a key near-term resistance. So this resistance overhead currently in at 1237, which is an old pivot line. 1237, old pivot line. That being broken to the upside, that would again be another argument to say that the turnaround is underway. But looking at these momentum indicators on the hourly chart, far more neutrally configured than they have previously been. So you're sort of getting a bit more positive on that regard. So I think that this downtrend could come under a bit of pressure, or certainly is at the moment anyway, but could come under continued pressure. And if that would be to be the case, and sort of break to the upside, then I think that would confirm that we're sort of now into a sideways phase rather than this corrective downtrend channel phase that we've been in the past few weeks. So interesting one to watch, I think, and certainly the 10 minutes were dovish, and that would help to support gold, and that seems to be what we've seen today, with the gold price up about $5, which is about 0.5%. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.